Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix computer boots up but doesn't display anything. The most common way that a computer won't turn on is when the PC actually does power on but doesn't display anything on the monitor. You see lights on the computer case, probably hear fans running from inside, and may even hear sounds, but nothing at all shows up on your screen. To solve the problem, you need to turn off the computer first. After turning off the computer, open the power cable from the CPU, and after opening the power cable from the CPU, then open the cover case of the CPU cabinet. First I will check the RAM, then first I will open the RAM from the RAM slot. After opening the RAM from the slot, take a rubber eraser. I had a problem with RAM, so I made a new change to RAM, and you first clean the RAM with eraser and change the slot and start the PC. I think clearing the RAM would have fixed the problem. Clean the RAM contact area well with eraser. Just like I am cleaning RAM with eraser, you also clean RAM contact area. Thoroughly clean the contact area of RAM with a rubber or cotton cloth. If your computer has 2 RAMs, clean it in this way, and if you can clean the place of RAM stick well with a brush. After cleaning the RAM, insert the RAM stick in the same way you open the RAM. To install the RAM properly, just insert the RAM into the stick and push it just above the RAM, then you will see that there are 2 locks on either side of the stick. It will be locked with the RAM. This problem may be due to RAM. After that hopefully there won't be any problem. If there is problem then it might be from your RAM. After installing RAM, connect the power cable and turn on the computer. After the computer is turned on, the computer will be turned on without any problem. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. Before you fix it yourself you must know about computer, and after watching this video if computer is any other problem then it is your fault. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.